Well, here's our first three assembled auditorium seats from Sarepta, Louisiana High School. These are around 1923, 1924 these were made. The old school was done away with for the new school. And so we were able to save all these from being in a dump, and now we're restoring them. So today we're working on metalwork here. Okay. Sanding with 220 and 400 on the metalwork. Get all the old wax off. Freeway is loud today. Just a little soapy water. Take it. Mark on this down here. I guess you can try to use a sander, a little palm sander, but there's so many surfaces you can get into everything you need to. I try to get all the rust off we can. We'll prime them and 2 coats of lacquer. I guess the whole process for one of these black ones is like 4 days. Cleaning and sanding and painting. Alright, I'm probably going to run out of battery here in a second. So when I come back I'll have fresh batteries and show you what we're doing. Tedious, but this is what makes the finish look good. There's no other way to do it. I guess you could take them and have them dipped and stripped down to bare metal and do that. That's not good for the environment, so a little soap and water don't hurt nothing. Every surface. % of the work. Operation. Hardest part of the job, I guess. Falls apart pretty quick. I guess it's really not. I guess this stuff ain't really made for wet sanding. Yeah, we've sanded both sides with I guess 220 grit sandpaper and soapy water. Now we'll rinse it real good and then let it dry, and then we can prime, put a primer coat of paint on it. Alright, I'm only going to do a couple of minutes. It's just fresh hot water, just to rinse all the residue off. let her sit in the sun.